Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common Windows issue that's been bugging users for years: desktop icons not showing up. If you're staring at a blank desktop and feeling frustrated, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some quick and easy fixes. This is especially relevant for Windows in 2025, but these steps work on most recent versions. Let's jump right in. First, the simplest fix is to restart Windows Explorer. This is the process that handles your desktop and taskbar. To do this, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Look for Windows Explorer in the Processes tab, right-click it and select Restart. Your desktop should refresh, and icons might reappear instantly. If that doesn't work, let's check your display settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Make sure your resolution is set correctly. Sometimes, a mismatch can hide icons. Also, scroll down to Scale and Layout, and ensure it's at 100%. Hit Apply and see if that does the trick. Next, run the System File Checker to scan for and repair corrupted files. Open the command prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD in the Start menu, right-clicking, and selecting Run as Administrator. Type SFC scan now, and hit Enter. This might take a few minutes, but it's a powerful tool to fix underlying issues. Another step is to update your graphics drivers, as outdated drivers can cause display problems. Go to Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it from the menu. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and choose Update Driver. Select Search Automatically, and let Windows do its thing. If you're still having trouble, try resetting your desktop icons. Right-click the desktop, go to Personalize, then Themes, and under Related Settings, click Desktop Icon Settings. You can restore defaults from there. There you have it. Straightforward steps to get your desktop back in order. If these tips helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.